Hi guys, my name is Kenny, and today in our tutorial we are going to solve another problem called decision in program. Actually, let's see, even in our normal life, the decision is a problem. So this programming decision in programming maybe is caused by the decision in our simple life. We can't even choose what to do and what not to do, if which is which. So let's direct to the point. Suppose you have more than one. You ask your user of your applications, maybe calculator, Facebook, or anything else, and you ask him, and he maybe give the more than one answer, or you think that he will give you different answer. And if he give you a different answer, you need to make your program to decide what to do if he's this and this and this and this. So let's go and direct to the point and see different decision in our language. We got different kind of decision in the language. There's if else, if else if, and etc, like switch and etc. And let's go direct to the decision number one, called if. This is a simple decision which you just ask from the user to give you something, and if that something is like something, maybe, for example, let's do example, because when you use much something you can confused. If I is greater than 6, then print I is greater than 6, or I is greater, or I is bigger, as the example says. If this, then this. If I is greater than 6, then print this. That is a decision. But what if I is less than 6, and you didn't say anything about it? So we're gonna see another decision called if else if. As you see it, this one is said if else if. For example, if I is greater than k, print I is bigger than k. Else, sorry, this is not else if, is else, print k is bigger than I. So this also, you have two decision or application to do. If I is greater than k, then print I is bigger than k. Else k is bigger than I. Is it a good decision? What if I is equal to k? Let's see another decision. This is called if else if else. Let's say if I is greater than k, then print I is greater than k. If else if I is less than k, then print k is bigger than I. Else print I is equal to k. Yeah, that sounds familiar. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? this can complete our problem here. If I is greater than k, then print I is bigger than k. If else I is less than k, print k is bigger than I. Else print I is equal to k. Means if I is this first condition fail, the second condition fail, then apply the third one. But what if you have more than 3 or 4 or 6 or more than many decisions to choose, and you need to select one by one? Will it work? I think no. So let's try another one. Switch decision. This switch decision is a kind of decision which you just analyze one by one decision, and maybe this is more applicable in many programs. For example, when you use calculator, you just switch 1 to 7, 1 to 9. Choose. If you type 9, then print 9. Then return and ask what do you want else. If you choose plus, then print plus, then ask him again. This is a switch. So we have, if this, in this case, in this switch we have cases. In switch k means k is our function, and in our function have different cases in our function. For example, case 1, we say if case 1, then print something, and after that black. When you say black, that means that stop there and go back, or stop there and continue in another things, because this is our decision we have made. Or else look at the case 2. If it's case 2, print that thing and then black. Or else look at the case 3, print something and then black. If else, look on next and next and next and next. So I think the most usable and very good kind of decision is switch. But in our program we can use any kind of decision, because we got different things to choose. So I'm not telling you that you should use always switch or if else, etc. But just see what do you need in that program. If you have just one decision, just use if, and if you have 2, if else. If you have 3, then just if, else if, then if, then else. And if you have more than 4, just use switch. And actually what I'm just want to tell you for the last things is, don't forget to do your quiz. Just test yourself in those kind of decisions, so to see what do you get in my video. And all in all, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. My name is Kenneth and my channel is Mr. Wishes Code Man. Thank you and have a good day.